Introducing Panasonic K and L series, the next generation air-to-water heat pump. A range designed for the ultimate user experience. Anthracite grey, an architecturally sympathetic design, seamlessly integrating into any setting. A compact footprint and lightweight construction for easy installation and maintenance. Quieter operation with an ERP value as low as 56 decibels. Our indoor unit has been designed to blend into your interior space effortlessly with simple internet connection through our new front panel, offering flexible and intuitive connectivity. Each touchpoint designed in harmony with optimized user interaction across the range. The L series is engineered with industry-leading R290 natural refrigerant, alongside safety optimization through our non-flammable control box, power box cable ground with sealed connections, and air refrigerant separator. The hydraulic connection allows safer and more sustainable operation. Highly efficient with an SCOP rating of A+++. High performance for every home, whatever the climate, maintaining the comfort in conditions as low as -25 degrees Celsius. The system can be integrated alongside existing radiators with a high water flow temperature of up to 75 degrees Celsius, sterilizing domestic hot water tank for hygienic operation. Fully Wi-Fi enabled for smart connectivity from multiple devices, with an additional connectivity port connecting cloud and interface, accommodating simultaneous operation with both Aquarea cloud and external interfaces. A dual controller system for independent control of 2 zones within the home. Our improved hybrid control system allows you to optimize running costs by inputting your electrical and gas tariffs, supporting PV panel connection with smart grid compatibility. Aquarea Smart Cloud, providing end users with powerful energy management, alongside continuous support and monitoring through Aquarea Service Cloud. The new K series and L series by Panasonic.
Panasonic.